foot up in there.
Oh, you can record too.
Sure.
Get my big fucking finger out of the way.
Oh.
Got one right behind you.
Probably the same one who I just put away. Hi! You like Papa? Huh? You like Papa? You gonna climb up me too already?
Good boy, Midge. Be that baby daddy. Pearl, or Snow, you do it nice. Nice, Snow. Nice. No! One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You go away over here. Alright.
You guys gonna go visit Smokey? Look at Smokey like, please. Do you really have to come and see Smokey? You be nice. That's a baby Smokey. That's a baby Smokey. Smoke. That's a baby. Look at him. Oh my goodness. That's a baby Smoke.
They taste even better.
Smokey. Smokey says I'm out of here. Where'd that kitty go? Where did that kitty go?
Where you going, kiddo? Where you going, kiddo? Where you going? There you go.
Spike. Spike-a-doodle. Nibbles. Pearly Pearl. Or no, it's Sparkles. Nibbles, you be nice to Sparkles if you want her to be your woman.
Where you going, little bit?
That Mama Snowball. That Mama Snowball. Well, hello, Lee. Hello, Lee. Hello, Lee. Hello. Hello, Lee. Hello, Squirt. Hello, Nip. Hello, Cartman. Hello, Breezy, the instigator of this all mess. Breezy, the biggest troublemaker. You see all these babies you made, Breeze? Hello, B3. Where's Leela? There's my Leela. There's the grandma. Hi, Mama. Why can't I see you? There you are. Leela. Hello, beautiful Mama. I want to get a good picture of you. Leela. That's the Mama, Grandma, and Great-Grandma. Yep. That's the hussy that started all this mess. Yeah. Huh, Cardi? Huh, Cartman? Breezy and Leela start all these messes.